Amy Payne, and she's going to help me today do something that I usually just hide behind closed doors, which is the laundry. I don't ever organize that. Amy, help.
Laundry is a challenge for a lot of people, so don't worry, you're not alone.
What are some of the issues? I mean, it becomes the place when company comes, you just throw everything in there and shut the door. So where do we start?
True. So I would say the number one thing when we go into people's houses and we see big piles of laundry everywhere, I know a lot of moms really struggle with taking care of the household, getting the kids all taken care of, and getting all the laundry washed, dried, and folded and put away. So it's a real challenge. Some people get the clothes washed but not folded. Other people get it folded but not put away. Nothing gets hung up, etc. So the number one thing that I notice is you own too many clothes.
Well, that's interesting. Yes.
Most people with a laundry issue just own too many clothes. So I joke with my clients. I say, okay, so how many clothes can you wear at the same exact time? Right? So then start thinking about how frequently do you do laundry? Is it once a week? Is it every other week? Do you put a load in every day? The more frequently you do laundry, the less clothes you need to get you through to the next laundry cycle. So that's one thing. Go through, get rid of anything that's, ripped up, torn, stained, that you have good intentions of getting fixed but haven't, that sort of thing. So eliminate some clothes.
Okay.
Sure. Then think about your habits. When are you going to do your laundry? Do you throw a load in every morning, switch it over at lunch, take it out in the evening, put it away? I mean, when we had young kids and a really busy family, that's kind of the way our routine went. We did a load of laundry every single day. There was always something in the washer or dryer. Now that our kids are taking care of their own laundry as they get older, we do a load every Saturday. That's just myself and my husband. So take a time. You can do it either time-based, like you're going to do it a certain day of the week or a certain time of day, or you can do it trigger-based, which is where when the basket gets full, you throw a load of laundry in.
Well, one of the issues you touched on, though, is, okay, you get it all done. It's all clean, and it may be staying in the dryer till the next load or piled upon the bed.
Right. So I encourage people, force yourself to have a good habit, right? So if you know that you want to sleep in your bed at night, and one way to motivate yourself to get the laundry done is that you put the clothes on the bed, that'll force you to then get it in. Don't allow yourself to throw it on the floor or onto the treadmill, but get those things hung up before bed or have some other sort of trigger. So I know I'm not perfect. I know you might be shocked as a professional organizer. I'm not perfect. My house isn't perfect. I tend to be a piler. So I have a little pile of clothes. Maybe I wore them once. I'm getting ready to wear them again. And I have a trigger of when we're going to clean the house, which is usually about every other week. We do a solid cleaning of the house. That's my trigger, that everything has to come off of that chair and get put away. So have some sort of a trigger or firm deadline, or keep your laundry folding process out and then invite people over once a week.
Hey, that's a good plan. You'll clean the toilets and stuff if you do that. Amy, thank you so much for helping us organize our laundry.